Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error. What you want to do is go to reproduce the error. When you're installing Windows, choose I don't have a product key. Select Windows 11 and then say next, and then you'll see an error saying this PC cannot run Windows, it doesn't meet the system requirements. You can bypass the TPM and secure boot check. On the error screen, press Shift plus F10, then type in regedit, and that will bring in the registry edit. What you want to do is navigate to the following: H key local machine. So right here, you want to go to System, and you want to go to Setup. Now you want to right click on Setup, say New, then press Key. And you want to name this Lab Config, capital L, capital C. This is important. Under Lab Config, you want to create two values. You want to go to New, dword value, 32-bit. You want to name it bypass TPM check. And you want to create a new dword value and name this one bypass secure boot check. Make sure the capital letters are exactly as shown. Now you want to double click each entry and set the value data as 1. And this one too, the value data as 1. Now close the registry editor and command prompt, go back, restart the installation, and this time you'll be able to proceed without errors. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Have a nice day.